Welcome to another ABS online video. Come and talk with us. We have a strange sound today. It really is strange. We start with Q, then add U. We never see Q without his friend U. Q and U are always together. But the U makes no sound. Shh. Our sound today is Qu. Qu. Can you say it? Qu. Qu. Time for some words. Qu. Queen. Quack. Quiet. Quit. Question. Water. Quick. Wow, they are really difficult. Is there something that can help me remember? A definition. A definition tells us what the word means. But you can't use the word. What? Let's start with an easy one. A lady who is married to a king. What's that? Queen. The sentence tells us what a queen is, but it did not use the word queen. Let's do some more definitions. If you want to know something, this is what you ask. What is it? Question. Stop doing something because it is too hard. What's that? Quit. The noise a duck makes. What's that? Quack. When something is not slow. What is that? Quick. When you cut something into 4 pieces, this is just one of the pieces. What's that? Quarter. When you make no noise, this is what you are. What's that? Quiet. Now we know what the words mean. Let's use them. You will do a great job if you don't quit. You will do a great job if you don't quit. Is the duck the only animal that goes? What word can we put in there? Quack. Is the duck the only animal that goes quack? Does the always wear a crown? What word do we need here? Does the Queen always wear a crown? Why does the teacher always ask me the hard... What do we need there? Question. Why does the teacher always ask me the hard question? I can only eat one of the pizza. What word is it? Quarter. I can only eat 1/4 of the pizza. My friend is because she is shy. What word do we need this time? Quiet. My friend is quiet because she is shy. I am very at running. I am always first to finish. Which word do we need this time? Quick. I am very quick at running. I am always first to finish. Quah really is a strange sound. I'm happy we used definitions. They help me a lot. Can you remember all the quah words? Let's have a look. Question, quarter, quack, quit, quiet, queen, quick. How many words this time? 7 words. 7 words that use the qu sound. Now, I think you know what we always say at the end. Use the words today. Don't let them slip away. Thank you guys. See you next time. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe and help us grow and grow.